168,750 and non-orange at 170,750. So you got to choose Ronin right from 149,000 up to 170,750,000 rupees. So these are all ex-showroom prices, and they come with set of accessories, set of apparels, and the whole Ronin world along with you. So guys, let me share the final AV before we get to shoot this bike in full. So can we have the final AV of the Ronin, please? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It has been a pleasure ride. A pleasure ride is one where I don't race with anyone. I'm not here to win a race. I'm not here to check my lap timing. I'm not going to be scoring any points, but I just want to ride. Ride wherever I want to, go wherever I want to. It's my ride, it's unscripted. So what it means is planted, but also precise handling. Planted need not mean that I'm lazy, I don't respond. Control at ease, as I cruise through traffic, as I cruise through highways, any control that I would love, it is at ease. Comfortable, upright posture for long rides, and a great ride comfort in all terrains. That's been the theme with which the whole vehicle engineering has been done. Many of you will be familiar with these key engineering parameters that build up a motorcycle on two wheels to stand and do what it does to us, the love and connect that we have. Every parameter was to be explored. So gradability on higher gear is also an additional target we took. We wanted to make sure that in third gear Ronin will climb the fastest on a 10-degree gradient, not just a small gradient. So these unique characteristics are also added with a unique signature, the Ronin sound character. This was dialed in looking into the fine details. One example here, what you can see is unique oil damping is used to quieten the camshaft when the engine gets hotter. Typically, as the bores expand, you get a characteristic sound, and to get that characteristic sound to the tune that we wanted, we innovated an oil damping to get the noise characteristics altered. Whether it's a guitar or it's a drum, it's all about the structure, the vibration that finally translates into noise. So the crankcase, the cover, the stiffness is all tweaked to get the target sound character that we had in mind to create that unique unscripted sound characteristics that has been the theme of engineering. And it's also highly refined and excellence in comfort. On engine, there is a lot that you can do to make the ride more enjoyable, not only to deliver the power and torque, but also the characteristic of the engine. It can be offering a lot of comfort when you want to go for a long ride, and to top it up, the unique tonal character from the exhaust that adds up to the characteristic Ronin engine.